about to just fit in this door with some cement. Cement it in. My videos is really for education purposes. I'm not going to do anything for anyone else. I'm retired. I'm just here on YouTube trying to teach people how things is done. This is more of a DUI, not DUI, DUI. That'll get you 10 years, 10 years on it. At least in the States. Africa, you might just have to know somebody and you'll be okay. But it's just a DIY, do it yourself type hookup. So if you ever in this part of the world, I don't know if you're doing charity or you building your own house. It's a lot of diasporans just building houses over here. They kind of handy. They can do little stuff like this. Save them a couple dollars. Shillings, rubies, whatever you use. That's all she getting right here on this side. And then we'll proceed over here to the other side. You just really let it dry now. And then you let your plaster guys come in, plaster it. It look good. But this is how this side looked over there. Just chisel it in, chisel. And you cement in it. I have some critics saying it's not professional or I could have did it differently or whatever. What I like about this part of the world, it's all about necessity. It's about necessity. It's not about anything else. But the necessity is to have your door protecting your well pump. That's a necessity. Alan, we'll get some cement. They can rip the door out, but after you put your cement and get your plaster, all of that's going on. There you go. After you do all of that, I hardly doubt somebody just come rip this off and you don't hear nothing. Hopefully they do it at nighttime. You hear everything. It's on you to come out with your nightstick or not. Start calling the police on this side of the world. Good luck with that. Now, when you're putting this cement in there, it's really mortar, but for some reason they call it cement. When you're putting it in there, you want to take the tip of the trowel and use a smashing. Kind of want to smash it in there. It's falling out, huh? Let's do it this way. There we go. You want to get the cement in there. Also, I want to add, you want to cement it from the front and back. So you put this on, let it sit, I don't know, 2-3 days, at least a day. But I'll let it sit 2 days and it get nice and hard. Then I'll come back on the other side. I'm used to using these. I'll come back on the other side and cement it in on the other side. just a pushing motion. You want to shove the shit up in there. Shove it in there. Let's see. That's a base coat. That's a base coat right there. It's a base coat. And like you need to put some more cement in it, make it a little bit more adherent. This is, like I said, this is for information purposes only. DUI, or if you're trying to check on your contractor and make sure he's doing you right. You see how he's supposed to do you. This is unedited video too, so all the problems you see usually something you're gonna have in the real world. Other guys is editing the videos and making this trade look very, very easy. It's not always like that. Most of the time it's not like that. It takes experience. I went to masonry school and I think it was 2003 through 2004. Actually, it was 2002 to 2004. Now, when it's hardened up, I'll come with another coat over that. See, this particular tank is round and this is a square door. This hardened up, I'll put another coat over this, we good. But you can tell, I just did this, so you can tell what your plastering is gonna look like, the base coat. All right, YouTube, if you like it, please like, subscribe, share.